So related to internet is working,
So
so you have
guys,
to update the
first
Wi-Fi driver
next
and LAN
step, next
driver.
and final step, go to
So go to
hp.com,
hp.com
then
and
extract
then
redot,
extract
then support,
redot to click support and then
then
software
software and
and
driver,
driver.
then click to laptop,
Then click to laptop.
then type hp omen 16. Select operating system, then click to submit, extract network. So this is the local LAN driver, local area network, and this is wireless and the MediaTalk wireless driver. So first try to download LAN driver, to click to download. It will complete it, just single click to open and then click to yes, next, I accept, next, next. Then try to download the Wi-Fi driver, just again select operating system, submit, network. So this is the Wi-Fi, means wireless means Wi-Fi. Okay, just single click to download, automatically start. You can see. Then it is completed, just single click to open this setup, then yes. So you can check, see this wireless LAN driver, okay. Then next, I accept, next, next. Then guys, it is completed, restart your system.